In this video, we will show you how to use the S53H helicopter. First, use the screwdriver to remove the screw and open the battery cover. Then put 4 AA batteries into the remote control. Close the battery cover and use the screwdriver to tighten the screw. Turn off the helicopter. It can only be charged after cooling down. Connect the USB charging cable to the charging port of the helicopter. Then plug the other end of the charging cable into the adapter. The indicator light turns red when the battery is fully charged. First, turn on the helicopter. The light starts flickering. Then press the power button to turn on the remote control. The indicator light starts blinking. Slowly push the left joystick up and down. The pairing is successful when the indicator lights stay on. Push the left joystick up. All blades begin to rotate. Push the left joystick up again, the helicopter takes off. Push the left joystick down, the helicopter lands. Push the left joystick up. All blades begin to rotate. Press the 1-key takeoff or land button, the helicopter takes off. Press the button again, the helicopter lands. Thank you for viewing our setup instructions video.